Okay, in this video, I'm going to be simplifying basic fractions. So the first fraction I'm going to look at is 6 over 8. Now, a way of doing this, if you're a bit unsure about these things, is to take the factors of 6 and take the factors of 8. So to do this, I'll put a 6 here, and we can get the numbers that multiply together to make 6. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And these are all the numbers that you can use to multiply to make 6. Next, we look at the 8, and we get all the numbers that multiply to make 8. So 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Now we're looking for the same number in both of these. So I can see here a 2 and a 2 on this one as well. There's no other numbers that's the same on these two things. So 2 is what's called the highest common factor, and it's usually written as HCF. So if we take the 6 over 8 and we use the 2's, that's the highest common factor, we can divide top and bottom by 2. And that's equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this now becomes 3/4, and that's as far as it can go when you're simplifying or cancelling it down. These fractions don't change its value. If you put into a calculator 6 divided by 8, that would equal 0.75 in your calculator. If you did the same for 3 divided by 4, that would equal 0.75 as well. So you can see the numbers in the fraction have changed. You can see 6 and 8 and 3 and 4, but the value of the fraction hasn't. So it still stays the same. So the next fraction we're going to look at is 4 over 10. We're doing exactly the same thing as the last time, so we're taking the 4 and finding the factors of 4. We have 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 1, 2, and 4 are factors of 4. So next one is 10, and we'll find that 1 multiplied by 10 is 10, and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So 1, 2, 5, and 10 are factors of 10. So we look for which is the same or common between both of them. We can see there's a 2 that's common between them, and there's no other numbers that we can use. So 2 is the highest common factor. So when I take the 4 over 10, I can divide top and bottom by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now it's been cancelled down or simplified from 4 over 10 to 2 over 5. So we're going to write down 9 over 12 and 10 over 15 and 12 over 18. Now if you stop the video, try and see if you can do it yourself. Okay, so 9 over 12, if you used your factors, you would find out that 3 would be the biggest or highest factors of these ones. So they would divide it by 3 and divide it by 3. So 9 divided by 3 would be 3, and 12 divided by 3 would be 4. 10 over 15, we can find the highest factor out of those would be 5, so we can divide top and bottom with 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 12 over 18, you can see that the highest factor you would be able to find out between 12 and 18 would be 6. So we can divide top and bottom with 6. And 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. And 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Keep splitting the top of the fraction, the numerator and the denominator, into its factors, and then find the highest common factor each time you do those kind of questions. Eventually you'll not need to do that once you get more confident with it.